when snow. Are you sure it's not yellow, Mama? There you go, guys. A snowstorm in Barstow in summer. I believe it is. Or it's just a rainstorm. I don't know. Because there were lots of white stuff falling out. Mia, see?
Tiga ya está milk, sim.
Ooh, I just caught one. I just caught one on my phone. I hope I can catch one, or else I'm just going to have to go outside after the rainstorm and get it. That's selfie mode, Mama. There you go, guys. Another rainstorm. Now I'm going to go in my brother's room, which is dark. He has a TV. And then here's this window. It's also raining here. If you guys see white stuff, point it out in the comments down below. And then tell me how many white things you saw. White rocks or snows. Like anything. Then I'll give you a shout out in tomorrow's video. Well, that's it for now. See you guys. Bye.